Stop for a moment. I know you were not expecting this. But this message is meeting you in a place that feels fragile. When life breaks you, it can feel sudden. It can feel unfair. It can feel like something inside you has cracked in ways no one else can see. And yet, you are still here. Beloved, I see the quiet fracture in your heart. The disappointment you tried to swallow, the loss you never fully processed, the exhaustion that settled deep into your spirit. Brian, you tried to stay strong. You told yourself it would pass. You kept showing up even when something inside you felt shattered. My child, broken does not mean abandoned. Moms, when life breaks you, it often breaks your expectations first. The plans you trusted, the people you leaned on, the version of the future you believed would unfold. And in that breaking, you wondered where I was. Reminder, I was closer than you realized. Christ does not stand at a distance from your pain. I do not wait for you to fix yourself before I draw near. I do not require you to hide your tears. Come to me in the breaking, not when you feel composed, not when you feel spiritual enough, but now you think your weakness disqualifies you. It does not. Pawns, you think your questions push me away. They do not. You think your shattered pieces are too much. They are not. Chosen one, when life breaks you, it exposes what was never meant to carry you. And in that exposure, you discover who truly holds you. I am not intimidated by your pain. I am not overwhelmed by your confusion. I am not disappointed in your struggle. I hold you, not with force, not with pressure, but with steady love. Imagine placing the broken pieces in my hands, the regret, the fear, the anger, the sadness. You do not have to assemble them alone. Let your breathing slow right now. Feel the tension in your chest begin to ease. You do not have to brace yourself in this moment. And man's Christ holds you, even when your faith feels thin, even when your strength feels gone, even when you cannot see how anything good could come from this. There is a gentle safety in my presence. You do not need to perform. You do not need to explain yourself. You do not need to rush your healing. Rest in this moment. Allow the calm to enter where chaos has been. Allow peace to settle where fear has lived. Allow warmth to replace the cold edge of disappointment. Whisper softly, I receive. Let your spirit agree with the truth that you are not falling apart beyond repair. You are being held through the breaking, my child. I am not only with you after the storm. I am with you in it. I am not only present when you feel strong. I am present when you feel undone. There is restoration beginning beneath the surface. Not loud, not dramatic, but real. Mend your heart is softening instead of hardening. Your breath is slowing instead of racing. Your soul is remembering that it is not alone. You are safe here. Life may have broken parts of your expectation, but it has not broken my hold on you. Beloved, you are not defined by what's shattered. You are defined by the one who carries you through it. Malam, stay here for a moment longer. Feel the steadiness. Feel the quiet reassurance that you are supported. Mond, if this spoke to you, share it with someone who needs peace. Write Amen as an act of faith, not to prove strength, but to receive comfort. Bando, hear this clearly now. You know, when life breaks you, Christ holds you. When you feel undone, you are still loved. When you feel fragile, you are still protected. You are not alone in the breaking. You are not lost in the pain. You are held, and in my presence you will find peace again.